Almost all the Chinese New Year celebrations in Rome are held online due to obvious reasons. For instance, the Chinese New Year concert hosted by the Italian Chinese Students and Scholars Association are broadcast online through many platforms such as YouTube and Facebook. In the past year, Chinese and Italians have stood side by side in the course of overcoming immense obstacles. On this festive occasion, a virtual concert is also held to show the two countries will continue to join hands to fight the virus and to express best wishes to the two peoples. The concert itself is a perfect example of how the Chinese cultures and the Italian one could synchronize, as it involves highlights from both cultures, like Peking opera, Italian opera, and folk music. In the festive atmosphere, I would say goodbye to the old days and look forward to a brand new start. When Italy was one of the worst hit countries in the world by the pandemic in March, a team of Chinese medical experts came to support and exchange experiences with Italian peers. Recalling that period, when Italian citizens saw Chinese experts on the street, they gave them thumbs up to express praise and salute. I'm deeply touched by those things. On this occasion, I'd like to pay tribute to everyone who worked hard and helped others during this pandemic. I sincerely wish you have a great days to expect, sweet dreams to follow, nice person to love, and a happy year of the ox.